I hope this works in here. It's way too hot and too buggy outside, so they're all inside. Oh, I thought I'd take a quick video so you could see them. What? What? Oh, Sophie, you getting out? Okay. In and out, in and out. What? What you crying about? Huh? Come on. Come over here. This is Beretta. This is Mindy. Mindy. Hey, little girl. Hi. Hi. I got a pink collar on. Look at me. There you are. Susan, this would be your little girl. She has a yellow collar on. Everybody wants to be in the picture. This is Raylan. There he is. There's that pretty face. Or handsome face, we should say. Raylan, huh? Yeah. This must be on the end. Hey, little girl. Hi. Hi. Nice picture. Nice picture. Thank you. Thank you. And here's Lily. Hey, Lily, you got one ear up, one ear down. One ear up, one ear down. Oh, little girl. Oh, little girl. Yeah, one ear up, one ear down. Yeah. Hey, we're doing real good. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, it's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. Beretta, there you are. There you are. And come here. Come here, come here, come here. There you are. Thank you. Yep. They got lots to watch when they're in the house because everybody's in the house. And Sophie goes in and out all the day. Yeah, you do. Yes. You're a wild girl today. take good care of them, don't you? Except for you're in my picture. Thank you. Okay, well, I wanted to give you a quick video since you hadn't had one in a while. See some of you on Sunday. Have a good weekend.